Of course, the best way to see if a grill brush is worthy of a hook on your grill is to put it through some tests. I had my top picks sent to me for a few rounds of testing, including cleaning a warm grill both dry and after dipping the brush in water. After all this testing, here are the best grilling brushes for a successful barbecue season.
Number 1, Weber 6492 Grill Brush Cleaner. This simple, handy grill brush from Weber is one of the best exterior grill cleaners for all types of barbecue and outdoor grills. It makes quick work of yesterday's grill debris and grease and lets you start afresh with each meal. Spirally wound stainless steel bristles let you clean your grill bars top and bottom. The grill cleaner's head is 7.1 inches wide. Enough to make scraping down a medium-sized outdoor grill a fairly quick and easy job. The shorter sides can be used to dislodge debris and grease between grates and for cleaning edges. Additionally, this great grill brush has an ergonomic handle that provides leverage and control as you're cleaning dirty cook grates. Best for 18 to 30-inch wide outdoor grills, this brush offers a 2-year limited warranty and has good ratings for durability. For best results, preheat the grill slightly before brushing it. The best charcoal grill is now easy to keep clean. Among the best barbecue and exterior grill brushes for the money, it's ergonomically designed and simple to use, and even cleans the edges. Pros: cleans all types of grills, edge bristles to get around the sides of grill bars, wide brush head so you can clean quickly, 2-year limited warranty. Cons: specialized for outdoor grills. Number 2, Alpha Griller's 18-inch Grill Brush Cleaner. This heavy-duty brush is the best exterior grill cleaner for larger grills on our list. It has thick, closely spaced stainless steel bristles to help you scrape away charred debris and grease. It also has a long handle and a reach of 18, giving you leverage to work with and making it easier to clean larger, outdoor grill and barbecue surfaces, especially if you've been using the top-rated burger press to crank out the hamburgers. Compared to the Weber, it has fewer angles and may have a harder time getting at the edges of the grill, but it does have thick, well-spaced bristles so it cleans the grill bars top and bottom, as well as in between. It also promises not to scratch porcelain grills. It will even work on the best portable grill, not just large ones. The Gugon Grill and Amp Great Cleaner is another one of the best barbecue grill cleaners worth checking out on Amazon.com. This grill cleaner spray is effective at removing grease and leftover food particles, but it's noted that this cleaning spray shouldn't be used on aluminum or faux stainless steel surfaces. Pros: great for larger grills, stainless steel bristles, won't scratch porcelain grills. It's also great for cleaning. Cons: may be too big for indoor ranges. Number 3, Grillart BR 4516 Grill Brush and Scraper. The Grillart Grill Brush and Scraper has 3 separate brushes arranged side by side, which allows you to clean a large swath of the grill easier and faster. The stainless steel bristles can scrape off sticky sauce residue or burned bits of food with ease, and they're flexible enough to fit between the grill grates to clean both the top and sides with a single swipe. The brush also has a scraper that comes in handy when cleaning a griddle or tight spaces of your grill, but be aware it can get in the way a little bit when cleaning a grill's interior. This brush is sturdy enough for long-term use. The wires are woven into the brush so they won't come loose. On all types of grill grates, including porcelain, enameled cast iron or seasoned cast iron grates, our tests found it worked well on all types of grills, such as the inside lid of a Kamadu. Rounding out the impressive features is an 18-inch handle that has a non-slip grip for comfortable use. As an extra bonus, we found the dense bristles hold oil well so you can use it to season hot grates and before cooking. Pros: 3 rows of bristles, integrated scraper, metal hanging loop, a non-slip grip for comfortable use. Cons: scraper can be harsh on coated grates. Number 4, Kona 360 Clean Grill Brush. Kona has developed a reputation for quality grill tools, and this brush doesn't disappoint. With 3 separate brushes in a side-by-side configuration, our testing found that this brush fits on top of the grates and slips between them to clean the top and sides of the grates all in one swipe. The brushes are designed to flex just a little, but not bend, so they won't lose their efficient shape with vigorous use. And we like that you can use the brush sideways, as well. This brush is a full 18 inches long to keep your hands away from the grill surface, and the plastic handle is comfortable to grip, even if you need to use 2 hands. The bristles are made from stainless steel, so they won't rust or corrode, and the brush is designed so the bristles are less likely to come loose and stick to your grates where they could end up in your food. One thing we thought we'd miss but didn't was a scraper. This brush doesn't have one, but the shape of the brush allows you to get into every nook and cranny. The brush was great at removing grit from warm grates and debris from the lid of a Kamado grill, but it was also a nice option for seasoning cast iron grates pre-cookout. Number 5. BBQ Barbecue Grill Brush and Scraper. The BBQ Grill Brush and Scraper is a simple, no-frills model that will serve any grill master well. It features an oversized brush head with stainless steel bristles, and it's mounted on a long acacia wood handle. Our testing found the brush head was at the perfect angle for scrubbing, and the bristles were barely bent after several uses. Speaking to the brush's longevity, this wire grill brush does have a scraper on the end, but in testing, we found that its nooks don't fit on all grill grates, making it harder to get in between the bars. However, we did like that the brush barely picks up any gunk, making it easy to clean, and you can replace the brush head when it wears down. The stainless steel head will certainly not rust away if you take good care of it. The long wooden handle will ensure that you won't burn yourself accidentally while cleaning. You can attach a string, or something similar, into the hole on the end to get a better hanger for yourself. What we like: classic, affordable design, sturdy stainless steel bristles, replaceable brush head. What we don't like: scraper nooks don't fit all grates.